Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain the Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch, how it works, what it does, and some important warnings before you try it. So, let's dive in. So, here's the deal. This is an airplane mode glitch people use to kind of predict their dice rolls. But, quick disclaimer, this isn't a hack. It's more like a loophole in how the game processes rolls. And yeah, the developers are actively patching it, so it doesn't always work the same for everyone. Alright, let me break it down. Before you roll your dice, note where you are on the board and what your multiplier is. That's important. Then, turn on airplane mode and start rolling. Even though you're offline, the game still processes your rolls. While in airplane mode, roll a few times and write down the numbers you get. For example, you might roll a 10, a 9, a 6, and a 7. After that, you'll probably get a no internet pop-up. That's normal. Now, here's the trick. Before turning your internet back on, go to your phone settings, find Monopoly Go, tap the info icon, and then clear data. Confirm, and then close the app completely. Turn airplane mode off, reopen Monopoly Go, and log back in. Make sure you keep the same multiplier as before. If you do, you should get the exact same rolls you noted earlier, like 10, 9, and 6, and this all in the same order. Now, if you want to change your rolls, just change your multiplier before you roll again. The game calculates outcomes differently, so switching it up can give you a new sequence. Okay, now listen. This is still a glitch and the developers don't want players abusing it. If you use it too often, you might get a warning like, too many logins in 24 hours. Keep doing it, and yeah, your account could get restricted or even banned. So yeah, the airplane mode glitch can help you kind of predict your dice rolls, but it's not guaranteed, and it's definitely risky if you overuse it. If you want to play safe, I'd honestly just enjoy the game normally. And that's everything you need to know about the Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and check out my other Monopoly Go tips and tricks. See you next time.